First, we're going to look at the RE20. This is the black version. They do have a brown taupe version as well. And we also got a nice deal on the 309A microphone suspension mount as well. We'll be setting that up as well. So this is an XLR microphone. It's a dynamic cardio variable D. We have a mid bass tone shaping switch, which this is available on the Shure SM7B as well. And we have variable dents, and it also has a built-in pop filter. We do have a 3/4 screw mount filter, red, Electro-Voice case. Got nice branding on the front here. There we go. If we set the case to the side, go ahead and take a look at the RE20 here. Here's the switches. So you can change that from flat EQ to more of a boosted EQ if you want. And then this is where you can put this thread if you need that in there. If you have a larger thread, then no worries there. You have a 3/8. This is a 1/4 inch thread, so you just pop that in, and then you can attach that to a mic stand. There we go. That is the microphone, and now we're going to go over and attach it and set up the boom arm. Let's take a look at the boom arm real quick. So this is everything included in the boom arm. This is actually a shock cage. I keep saying boom arm. So the shock cage will sit like this. You'll thread that. And this is what will actually hold the RE20. So you'll put the RE20 straight through there, and then you can put your XLR in the bottom. And then these are all your shock cage bungees. So you'll put these on here like this, and then pop it on there like that. And then overall, we will fit all of those on there. And when we're done, we can mount it. And here we have everything all mounted in. So you actually do take this part off. This can mount to a normal boom mic stand. And what you'll do with this microphone is actually you will place it straight into there, but you do want to be careful. So it's hard to see on the camera here, but there's a tiny little screw that is sticking out right there. And then right here, there is a tiny little screw hole that you just pop into there. That goes down in. If you don't, you actually can't get it in there until you line that up, and then you'll twist, and then over here you will thread this, and that's how you can lock it into place. So now we're good to go. We'll hang it on a boom arm, and we are all ready. This is a view of the RE20 mounted, and I am using the RE20 to record this voiceover. The beautiful mic, and it sits well in the shock cage and on the desk. That is it, folks. We've got the RE20 mounted here on the desk. It'll be the new permanent edition. Love the way it sounds. I love that it has a built-in pop filter, and I think it's gonna be great for videos. Just to give you a view, here's that shock cage for you. It's quite large, but I keep it low here and it stays out of reach, and I can still use my keyboard, see everything on the desk. Not a problem. I've moved my mic arm to the side instead of under. I have the Elgato low profile mic, and so I just use the arm, articulate that up, and then the shock cage just hangs down with the mic. No stress on the mic. Everything sounds great, and if I bump it, shouldn't be too much noise coming off of that. So loving it so far. Let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts about this mic. Do you have it? Do you own it? Do you want it? Let me know. But otherwise, I'll see you next time.